Hello, dear friends. This is Foam Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to clear the history of watched videos in YouTube. For example, you've watched a lot of different videos and you want to remove them from your viewing history in your library. How do you delete them? It's very simple. You do this by clicking on your channel icon. You click. Now click on Manage your Google account. You wait a couple seconds for it to load. Now you swipe to the side and click on Data and Privacy. You click on that. Now you go down a little bit further, and here we find History Setting, and here we have YouTube History, and we click on that item. And then at the bottom we click on Manage All History, and this opens up a list of all the videos that we've watched. Here are all of these videos. Each of these videos can be deleted separately. But if you want to delete all the videos for one day or for the whole time, you click on Delete and select the time period you want. If you select Delete All Time, the whole history will be cleared. As you can see, this is a very simple and fast way. Done. Nothing complicated. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, don't forget to leave your feedback below this video. Thank you. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel, and also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.